Okay, hi and good morning. So today I'm going to guide you on how to download and install the IES for your usage for this course. First, you have to go to the website page. So for your information, all software for IES can only be downloaded and installed from the website. This suite is actually being upgraded every year. So the one that I don't know if you get it somewhere else, it's not going to be useful for you because all the licenses are activated through online. Then you need to have internet connection, number one, and number two, you have to download it or install it from credible centers, for example from IES, or either otherwise if you are a company doing commercial practice, so you get to buy the license from retailers or resellers. Okay, so first you have to go to IES software. Okay, go to the IES website and then click on the software. Okay, and then click to VE 2021. For information, at the moment students are you can get education license with a very cheap price. Unfortunately, there's no free version, but you can use it for 30 days trial. So you can click on trial mode. Okay, click on trial and then choose free trial and start your 30-day free trial. So when you click on this link, you need to register first. So click here to register. Okay, key in your names and everything, and then you click register. Once you click register, please check your email. They will send you a link, and once you have the link, you can connect to the website and download the software. So and for downloading the software, you need a fast internet connection because the size is quite big. It's around 1 to 2 gigabytes. I think it's 1.6 gigabyte. So if you have a very slow connection, then you need to do it at night. Okay, so once you download the software, okay, you have to let me see. So download, let me just show you the size of the software. IES. Okay, IES. Oh, okay, I don't have it here. Okay, just to let you know that the software size is around 1.69 gigabyte. That is for the software alone. So once you click and download the software, you need to also install the weather data. So the weather data is also big. The file is quite big. So once you install it, I suggest that you have a fast and unlimited broadband bandwidth for the internet. For the weather data, you need an additional around 800 megabyte to 1.2 gigabyte, because for IES they need the weather data to run the simulation. Okay, once you registered, you log in. Okay, you log in into the website. Let me just log in first. Okay, one. Okay, right, so once you've logged in, free trial, you can click download. Okay, so the size here says it is the latest version, but this is trial, right? 1.53. Okay, so if you are a student, you can get the student license. They do offer special discount for students. You can click here, but you need to provide them with all the informations for them to verify that you are a student. Okay, so I think the price is quite reduced, significantly reduced. It's around 60 Great Britain pounds, or around 400 ringgit in Malaysia. So that's an annual license. Okay, so that's for an annual license. And And then what you need to do is, after you have downloaded and installed, okay, they will give you a key. The key file will be used for the software to be activated. Okay, when you install the software, let me just start it from the beginning. When you install the software, okay, you will to know that if the IES has been activated or not, you have to check on the module list. If the module list is not complete, it means that your software is not licensed, completely licensed. So I'm using the latest IESVE version. So when you go into the software landing page, this is the first page that you're going to see. Okay, and this is all online connected. So any new information, new news, they will put it here. Okay, so if you want to start the software, just click this button here. So you go into the software. Now in the corner part and left hand side, you will see the list of modules or applications. So these are the list of modules for all licensed software. If it is not licensed, you can only see cost value, egress, and components. That's all. Okay, if you don't have the list, you have to check the license. To check the license, you go back to the help, okay, and then click on the license control. Okay, so you can see here, and you can check whether it is licensed or not. Otherwise, you have to contact the center and send them an email. They will reply to you and help you with the licensing. Okay, so as you can see here, one more thing. Right, you have to remember, when you want to move or to migrate from your laptop or your PC, you cannot simply uninstall it, because the license doesn't uninstall automatically with the software when you uninstall it for it. So what you need to do is you have to release the keys first. Okay, once you release the key, you can uninstall the software and install it into another machine, like moving or migrating from your PC to your laptop or your laptop to another machine. You have to release the license. Once you reinstall the software, you acquire the license again. Okay, and they will generate a unique number. That unique number you use it again in the new machine, and that unique number is connected to your keys. Okay, so I think that's all for the installation information. Thank you very much. Good luck. If you have any problem, just contact me, and thank you. See you.